Hi, and welcome to Brook. Today I'll be showing you around Brook Health Companion, our smartphone app. When you first open your app, you'll be shown the Brook Bot, our automated chatbot that asks you questions, reminds you to log your daily health data, and provides quick feedback on that data. Just tap on your answer to the chatbot's prompts to engage with it. This screen is also the place where you can log data. To do so, tap the plus sign in the bottom right corner. Then scroll through the data types to find the one you want to log. You can log everything from meals to weight to medications. By logging everything in one place, Brook can provide personalized feedback and support that fits you and your lifestyle. Let's log a meal. You can free type what you ate or tap the microphone icon to use voice to text, and our natural language processing will do the rest. Once you have entered your data, hit Next, and then Send. The chatbot will analyze your data and provide feedback and tips. Tap Profile in the upper right corner to view your data dashboards. Here you can view each type of data you log by day, week, or month. You can also scroll the dates at the bottom to see previous data. If you tap your name, you'll be taken to your profile information and settings. Here you can turn on notifications, build a medication schedule for easy reminders and logging, and connect Bluetooth devices like a Fitbit. Now, let's navigate to the part of the app where you can chat with a live human. Tap Back, then tap Care Circle in the upper left corner to see your chat and content channels. Tapping Brook will take you back to the chatbot. Tapping Health Coaches will take you into a chat stream where you can message our team of dietitians, coaches, and health experts. They are available every day of the year and can offer practical guidance for making healthy, sustainable lifestyle changes. This includes support for healthy eating, physical activity, sleep, stress, goal setting, and more. They use the data you log to personalize their support, so be sure to log consistently. Tap Care Circle again to get back to your list of channels. If you're using Brook in partnership with your healthcare provider, you will see their chat channel here. Tap it to text directly with your Brook nurse or care team. Here, you can chat about the care plan your provider wants you to follow, medication changes, and get support for things like medication side effects or questions about your health conditions. Finally, let's create a data report. Tap on Care Circle to get back to your channels. Tap Create Report. Then select the report duration and add in any additional emails into the recipient box. Once you hit Send, a PDF of your data report will be generated and sent. We encourage members to take a printed copy of the report to their next healthcare provider appointment. This is a great way to review your progress with your provider. Thank you for joining us today to see some of the Brook Health Companion app features. You can find more information on our website, brook.health. Have a great day.